Hey, it's Mr. Peace here at Kent Lake Elementary School in South Lyon, Michigan, part of the South Lyon School District. And just a beautiful afternoon getting to speak to the after school program here, specifically to the Kids Club students, grades pre-K through 5. And the main message today was all about bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first, right? Seeing them just like you see your own best friend, and really choosing to share our heart with other people, right? To not only love ourselves, but to go and love others. And I love this here at Kent Lake where it says, our stars shine bright, because we really did talk today about the need to let that light from our hearts go and shine and help other people see their worth, their value. But that also starts with understanding ours first and foremost. And what's on my shirt, the miracle that you see here, a part of every presentation that I do, but we all have the letter M with the lines in each of our hand. I traced one of mine here with washable marker, but we all have the letter M right on our palm with the lines. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one on each hand. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. But that's a choice, right? It's a choice that we choose to let that kindness shine towards others that desperately need it, right? They may have forgotten that they are miracles, or maybe never been told that they are one. And it's also a choice that we turn whatever pain that we might have that's preventing us from being all in for this planet and for each other into basically a healed heart. So I always talk on how healed people heal people. Well, that means we have to overcome being hurt people who hurt people. Because those hurt people could be hurting ourselves, that if we think negatively about who we are, that hurts our heart. We're kind of like self-bullying ourselves. And even worse, if we're pushing that pain and hurt onto someone else. Well, we're seeing that too often in the news. So the concept of really being, all in for this earth, knowing that even at a young age, we can make a difference if we choose respect, if we choose compassion, choose acceptance, choose to include everyone, no matter how they're born, is so, so important. And I had at least 20 students come up to me after today's talk, some in tears, but some that just wanted to really share their heart with me and let me know that, one of their friends was born a little bit differently, or they were in terms of their eyesight, right? Or maybe they're a little bit shorter than someone else, or they have an issue going on at home, or they broke a bone, and they had all these things that happened to them in life, some things that they couldn't even control, and they were getting made fun of because of that. But I always say that our true friends, our best friends, would never make fun of you because of that, right? One person asked, well, what if someone doesn't want to play with me and I want to play with them? Well, people always have a choice, right? To decide to, be your friend or not, but we can only show love. We have the effort, not always the outcome. But again, if you keep putting your heart out there, you're going to get people in your life that love you, right? That if you push that love out, you're going to get that back. And that was what we really tried to focus on today through a series of positive songs, through some inspirational videos, through some motivational stories, right, that they got to witness and try to relate to at whatever level that they're at. And so I'm so thankful to be doing this type of work, teaming up with the South Lyon Community Coalition, Paige George, the director there. Thank you for your ongoing support and for bringing today's program here to Kent Lake and to all the elementary schools in South Lyon over the next few weeks here in January 2022 as part of your sponsorship to Mr. Peace. We are so, so grateful for that. And really because we know the impact it is having on our students, the young ones that said, Mr. Peace, you came today, you changed my life. The ones that are wearing that bracelet that says, look at the heart first now, and making that promise in their heart, that commitment, that pledge that they're going to keep shining who they are for others, and just really being that star here at Kent Lake, not only in their classroom at Kids Club, but outside in their neighborhood, in their homes, in their community, and beyond. Again, you guys are beautiful. Never forget that. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to check out the playlist of YouTube videos for some more motivation. And you can also visit my website through the other link you see on the video screen as well to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.